I learned with an Italian friend, guys, and seriously, it's the best pasta ever. Well, boil water, put a little bit of salt, okay? And then we are going to put our pasta, 200 grams of it, the one you prefer. And here we are going to let it just 5 minutes, okay? Now we'll also use a lemon. Here I'm using the Sicilian lemon, but you can use the one you have at your house. And we are going to peel it off like this, as you can see on the video. We are going to cut the peeling this way. Done that, we'll also need garlic. I'm not gonna cut it too much, okay? Now let's cut the lemon in half and start to squeeze it. And I'm using a sifter to avoid the seeds. Now in a frying pan, let's put 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's melt it very well, and after it, add a little bit of oil. Let's add the garlic and the lemon peeling. Let's let it fry very well, then add the lemon juice, 200 grams of heavy cream. And guys, it's amazing. Then let's put the salt, black pepper, paprika. And here, if you want to add any other seasons, you can do it, okay? Go mixing it until it's thicker, okay? And now let's add the pasta. The right texture of the pasta is the success of this dish. Add more garlic. Yes, guys, it looks too much, but it isn't. It's amazing. Remember that I told you guys to not cook the pasta too much. That's because it's gonna finish cooking inside of this frying pan, okay? And our pasta is already done, guys. Seriously, it's the best pasta ever. I added some parsley on top of it, and it's perfect. Seriously, I love pasta, and learning it from an Italian was perfect. I loved it. Make it at your house and then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is important for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. I'm gonna leave you guys with this image, and see ya!